Alrighty, let's have a look where the house is at. This room is not finished at all. Still waiting for the plasterer to come back for this room. But all of the other is done. Most of the lights are in and working. Walls are painted. HRV system is in and ready. Kitchen is mostly in. Just got the protective coat on the doors there. The kitchen is not blue. This bathroom is pretty much done except for the shower screen. Toilets are installed and working. Stairs, obviously we've still got the floorboards to put down, as with the upstairs. Door frames still need to be done. I'll do that after the floorboards. Fans and lights. Okay. Ooh. Bathroom. Light hanging down at the moment. This bathroom is almost done. Gonna put a cover over the door, over the hot water cylinder, and just got a little bit of grouting to do on this wall. Otherwise the rest of it is done. Toilet, could put the shower screen in. HRV system is in. There's a bit of a problem with the width of the HRV system. It was wider than I had built the cupboard for, so we had to rip off some plasterboard and the door frame just to get it in there. So I've got to fix that again now. And then this bedroom is almost ready. And a wardrobe in there. So it's getting there. Smoke alarms, the little covers, dust covers until the building is over. Beautiful view outside.